The Detroit Fire Department is kicking off Operation Save a Life. It is a 10-year plan to install smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors in every Detroit household. CW50's April Morton shows us why smoke detectors are essential to keeping your family safe.
With ladders in hand, members of the Detroit Fire Department went door to door in the Martin Park neighborhood today with one mission in mind.
It's a Save a Life initiative.
That initiative involves the department installing free smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors to residents, something Brenda Boykin is grateful for.
My sister's house just burned down like 3 weeks ago.
Like Miss Boykin, that sister didn't have a smoke detector in the home. She says after 34 years and seeing her sister lose everything to a fire, she knew it was time to get a smoke detector.
Actually, a feeling of relief, like, okay, we're going to be safer.
On Thursday, the department installed around 100 smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and this is just the beginning.
Trying to install smoke detectors and CO detectors in every residence in the city of Detroit within a 10-year period. So this is great. We just want the citizens to know that we're there for them, not only at a time of emergency, but also to prevent emergencies.
The department plans to be out every week installing the devices they say can make the difference between life and death.
I mean, when you have fire, it doubles every 30 seconds. So if you can have just a couple of seconds to alert you to get outside, that would save many, many lives.
Having the detectors now in her home, Ms. Boykin says she'll sleep much better tonight.
A lot better. A lot more peaceful.
Smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors can be picked up for free for Detroit residents at the public safety headquarters in downtown. We've put all the information on cbsdetroit.com. In Detroit, April Morton, CW50 News at 10.